guys, and welcome back. It's Rye. So today's really exciting day because today we are going to be starting our first ever craft on my channel. So we will be making this little book cozy, I want to call it. Really simple, really fun craft. You could do it with your kids, you could do it by yourself, you can use these books for school, college. I just use them for my everyday life to keep track of everything. I literally make a list like there's no tomorrow. So we're going to be making this. So what we're going to need for this project is Mod Podge. This is fabric Mod Podge. Now a little of this goes a long way, and it's washable and I love it. It's really fun to use. So we're going to need this. We're also going to need fat quarters. These are the two fabrics I picked out. Very pretty, very subtle. I don't know which one I'm going to use, but we're going to figure that out together. And then you're gonna these two things are optional, but if you want to put stickers and ribbon, that's up to you. These two are optional. And then you're going to need a book. This is just a book I found around my house, old book. And then you're also going to need a pair of scissors. These are fabric scissors, a sponge, and a pen. Now everything I named besides the book, I got at AC Moore. This video is not sponsored, but AC Moore has amazing prices, and it also has amazing coupons. So I recommend, if you're a crafter, go to AC Moore and show them some love. And AC Moore, if you're watching, if you feel like sponsoring me, I got you. I love you. Anyways, let's jump right into it. So, out of these two fabrics, I like this one the best for this book, so we're going to go with this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay the fabric out. So you're going to lay the fabric out like this, and then you're going to take the book, and you're just going to take your pen. I use a pen because I feel like it's easier to drag around the book, and I just feel like it's easier, and the pen is more slippery than a pencil. So we're going to use a pen, a black pen, because it's easier. And you're just going to easily trace around the book like so. Now, if it doesn't come out right away, you have to do it a few times. That is perfectly fine. Just try your best to do it. Now I'm lefty, so this is kind of hard, but you get used to it after a while. So trace around the book, around the fabric, sorry. Just like that. And once you got a nice little pattern going like this, then take your crafting scissors and you find where you start out and you cut. Okay guys, so you're gonna take your scissor, your fabric scissors, these, and you are going to cut nice and slow because you gotta try and cut where you cut the lines. And if it doesn't come out perfectly, that's alright. I mean, nothing's ever perfect, and if it comes out good, that's awesome for you. Some of my stuff always comes out lopsided and stuff, and I try not to let it bother me just because I'm really not that much of a perfectionist. So I just like doing this stuff for fun. It's a good thing to try it's good to try new things. So that's just my thoughts. But anyways, you're just gonna cut. I try to cut a little bit after my lines because I like a little bit extra. So if you see, that's kind of what I'm doing. Alright. Sorry guys, it's taking me longer than normal to cut. Alright, so once you have it all cut out, like that, now don't throw this away. This extra fabric you could use for purses, you could use for anything in your household. So this is one of my favorite fabrics that I bought personally. So I'm going to save this. And I'm going to use this, I don't know what for, but I'm going to use this. So put the scissors aside, you're done with the scissors. You're going to take your book and you're going to lay it flat like this. Make sure you do this on a flat, clean surface too. And then you're going to take your fabric and you're just going to kind of just like do this so all the wrinkles come out. Now you see mine's a little lopsided, right? That's okay. Alright, so you're just going to smooth it out. So now, this is the fun part. You're going to take your Mod Podge, open the cap. Now, like I said, if you get the one with the actual squeezable top, that's good, because squeezable I feel like is a little bit better. I just bought this one because it is bigger and I'll be doing a lot more projects and it's just a better price. So, see, it's on my fingers. I'm just going to wipe it over here. So you're gonna pretty much dip a little bit of a sponge in here and get a decent amount. So that's alright, right? And then you're gonna put the fabric to the side and you're gonna just paint the book with the Mod Podge. Just like you're painting a pretty canvas. And you just paint it up and down. Try to do evenly strokes. If not, just try to get it evenly across the board. And make sure you get a decent amount right here, because this is where it's going to set the best. And then I have stickers on this book, so it might be a little bit harder, but I just didn't feel like taking the stickers off. This is an old book. I used this when I was probably in high school, and I used it for my poems. So like I said, you could use any kind of book you want. Just try to make sure it's something like this, because if you use a book with the like those little ring things, it won't work. This project will not work for you. So make sure you use this type of book. And like I said, dollar store is only $1. I'd probably get 20 of these for 20 bucks next time I go. So here we go, Mod Podge everywhere. Decent, right? I think so. So then, sorry, I use a lot of Mod Podge, but I don't know how to use a little of anything. So my projects always has a lot of stuff on it, but that's just me. That's just how I am. Everybody's different. So after you put the Mod Podge on, put this in a place where it doesn't stick. I normally put it like on a set, like I'm gonna put mine on this extra, and I'm just gonna place it there. Close your Mod Podge, because if you don't, it will dry up. And then you're gonna take your pretty fabric, whatever fabric you chose is fine. You do not have to choose the fabric that I chose. And then you're going to just place the fabric on the book as evenly as possible, and you're just gonna smooth it over with your hands. Make sure you get the bubbles out, make sure you get every little thing out so it looks pretty. And you're just gonna smooth it out. Smooth it out. Yeah, see, I like this fabric. What do you guys think? It's awesome, right? It's so freaking pretty. Oh. So you just smooth it out like this. See how pretty? And then you're going to come inside the book. Now you see how there isn't any place for you to fold this over? You're gonna take this, your scissors, and you're just gonna make a little slit in the top of the book and the bottom of the book, just so when you fold over the fabric, it will fold easier. So then you're gonna take your Mod Podge again. This is gonna be your pride and joy in my videos, because I use Mod Podge on everything. You're gonna take your Mod Podge with your little foam. You could also use a paintbrush. I just like the foam brushes because they're cheaper and because I could wash them out easier when I'm done. So then you're just going to put some on the top and then you're going to fold. Now mine might not work really well because I cut mine a little short, but that's alright. you just do the best you can with what you have. So you just fold like this, and sometimes it pops up and then you gotta go back and you gotta put a little bit more Mod Podge. See, just a little bit more Mod Podge, and there you go. And then you just fold it over like this, and then you just repeat this, what I just did, on these two sides. So let's do that really quick. And you just put the Mod Podge all over the bottom and the top. Try not to get it in the middle because this does have to dry overnight. So see, just put it like this, and don't mind the little stickers or anything like that. Like I said, I was in high school, and obviously I love stickers till this day. But yeah. So you just whistle while you work. Whistle while you work. That's what Mom always told me. My mom always said. I can't really whistle that well, so I I don't know what the hell that is, but okay, so this actually is coming out pretty well, guys. I'm very proud of us. I'm very proud of us. Now, if you get some extra over there, that's all right. So now we're gonna go to the back. Now, what I do is I take a little leftover of my fabric, and I try to wipe the leftover Mod Podge. Like I said, the Mod Podge dries, and you could always wash your hands and wash off all the excess on your skin. It's really easy. It even comes off like this, see? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's coming off my hands. So if you don't want it to get the page wet, then you just put it, if you don't want to get the page wet, the opposite page wet, because we have to do the back, just take the extra fabric and put it in the middle. Alright, so now we're going to go to the back. Now we're going to go to the back. Now we're going to do the same thing we did in the front. And we're just going to put it all over the front and the back. I mean, not the front and the back, I'm sorry. All over the sides of the book. Just like this. And if you need a little extra, go for it. That's alright. The more Mod Podge you use, the better, I say, at least. I don't know how anybody else feels, but I like using a lot of Mod Podge. That's why I bought a bigger thing. So, and then you're just gonna fold. Like I said, my sides are gonna be a little harder to do just because I didn't cut right, but I just don't cut straight in general. I'm a lopsided kind of girl, so just do the best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect in the inside. No one's gonna see the inside, really. If you think about it, who's gonna look inside your book? Maybe your teacher, and he or she will probably think it's beautiful. And they'll probably be like, "Oh, did you make this yourself?" And you could say, "Yeah, I found a YouTuber who does it, and she taught me how to do it." So, however this comes out, as long as you guys are proud of yourself, that's all that matters. And I'm proud of you guys for doing this. If you guys do this, please message me on my Instagram, A Little Slice of Rye, and show me your progress. Like, show me how you did on this project. Also, you can PM me on there too. You can PM me on my Instagram and tell me how you did on this project, please. I would love to hear your thoughts on this project. This is one of my favorite projects. And you know what? I did this myself. No one taught me how to do this. I just bought some Mod Podge one day and some fabric, and I found some books around my room, and I just went for it. And to this day, I love making them. So this is done, pretty much done. I mean, the sides needs to be done a little bit more, but I can work on that later. So, see, it's still on my hands. So, this is going to be your finished product. Now, I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys make this video, please send me a picture. Please message me telling me if it was fun or not. Please let me know your thoughts. And if you guys like this project, I will do more of these. I absolutely love doing this type of thing. It's simple, it's easy, it's fun, and I love Mod Podge. I mean, look how easily it comes off. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Also, I don't know why I said that, but also, after you're done with this book, make sure you let it dry overnight, because if you don't and you use it right away, then you're gonna have Mod Podge all over the place. So please take that to consideration. This has to dry overnight before you can actually really use it on when you yeah. Make sure you let this dry overnight, or because if you don't, the Mod Podge will get over your backpacks or your purses, and I don't want that to happen to you guys. So please make sure you let this dry overnight, and in the morning it will look beautiful, I promise you. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your comment, guys. I love this print. And let me know if you guys shop at AC Moore. If you do, make sure you use their coupons. They have an app. Use their coupons. Get 10 to 20% off. And AC Moore, if you're watching this and you want me to do any crafts with your stuff, please message me. Please let me know. Again, this video is not sponsored, but I absolutely do love you, AC Moore. And I will see you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.